YIC Yoga Instructors Course. Topic Raja Yoga. Part 5. Yoga Darshana as represented by Yoga Sutras was written by Maharshi Patanjali. Thus, the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali is considered as the basic text of yoga. These sutras propound the Ashtanga Yoga or yoga with 8 limbs. The 8 limbs are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. As we discussed, Yama, Niyama, Asana, and Pranayama comes under Bahiranga Yoga. Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi comes under Antaranga Yoga. Pratyahara, the fifth limb, is the bridge between the Bahiranga Yoga and Antaranga Yoga. Let's come to Antaranga Yoga. Let's discuss about Antaranga Yoga as per Bhagavad Gita. Samam kaya siro grivam darayanna chalam stiraha samprekshak nasikagram svam disyaschanavalokayan. Let him hold the body, head, and neck erect and still, gazing at the tip of his nose without looking around. शनैः बुद्ध्या धृतिगृहीयता आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत्. शनैः बुद्ध्या धृतिगृहीयता आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत्. With this intellect set in firmness, let him attain quietude little by little. With the mind fixed on the self, let him not think anything. Let him not think of anything. प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभिर्ब्रह्मचारी व्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य मच्चित्तो युक्त आसीत मत्परः. प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभिर्ब्रह्मचारी व्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य मच्चित्तो युक्त आसीत मत्परः. Serene and formless, firm in the vow of a brahmachari, subdued in the mind, he should sit in yoga thinking of me and intent on me alone. Intent on me alone. Let us have the knowledge about Antaranga Yoga as per Ashtanga Yoga. Dharana, the sixth limb of Ashtanga Yoga. Dharana, the whole mind focuses on a single point. Initially, there were several subjects with thoughts floating in the mind. With concentration it is reduced to one subject with several thoughts, and then it is brought to one subject unto a single thought. This is the state of dharana. Desabandha chittasya dharana. Desabandha chittasya dharana, which is binding the mind on a single thought. Which is binding the mind on a single thought. In this connection, we can profitably see the procedure of Trataka, keeping a burning candle at eye level and concentrating by focus on the single thought of the tip of the wick of the candle. This is dharana, focusing at one point. Let's come to the seventh stage of Ashtanga Yoga, Dhyana. The next step of Dharana is Dhyana or meditation. If Dharana is focusing, then Dhyana is defocusing. Patanjali gives us the concept of Dhyana as an effortless Dharana, as opposite to the focusing under Dharana. There is total defocusing under Dhyana effortlessly. This is the seventh limb of Maharshi Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga. Final stage of Ashtanga Yoga, the eighth limb, Samadhi. The mind in the grossest form with a host of random thoughts is brought into a state of dhyana, first by concentration and then by dharana, focusing, and then by dhyana, defocusing. From here, one goes to the eighth limb called as samadhi. Samadhi is merger. In all our activities, there is what is called tripti. The seer, the seen, and seeing, that is subject, object, and the interaction. In meditation, there is the person who is meditating, the object of meditation, and the process of meditation as the three aspects: subject, object, and the interaction. On the other hand, culmination of meditation is samadhi, where all the three merge into one. Where all the three merge into one. Samyak adhyate iti samadhi. Samyak adhyate iti samadhi. That is deep absorption or super consciousness. Here, seer becomes one with the seen. It is as if one is lost wholly in the object of meditation. Samadhi is a jump into the inner consciousness, a wholly new world. Let us know the Samadhi as per Bhagavad Gita. Establishing a firm seat for himself in a clean place, having directed his mind to a single object, with his thought and the activity of the sense controlled. He should practice yoga for the purpose of self realization, holding the body, head and neck erect, motionless, and steady gazing at the tip of his own nose and not looking at any direction. With quieted mind, banishing fear, established in the brahmachari vow of celibacy, controlling the mind with thoughts fixing on me. He should sit concentrated, devoted to me, thus continually disciplining himself. The yogin whose mind is subdued goes to nirvana, to supreme peace, to supreme peace, to union with me. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verses 11 to 15. Now, let's come to the Ashtanga Yoga. The mind in grossest form with a host of random thoughts is brought into a state of dhyana. First by concentration and then by dharana, focusing, and then by dhyana, defocusing. From here, one goes to the eighth limb called the samadhi. As we discussed, samadhi. Samyak adhyate iti samadhi. Deep absorption or super consciousness. Deep absorption or super consciousness.